handling non-numeric named cell values from Excel. When linking global defines with named cells in spreadsheets, Expert Estimation gives you the ability to choose between importing all named cells from an Excel spreadsheet or only named cells with a numeric value. Let's have a look at an example spreadsheet for global define values that we want to link to. We want to import the values for labour productivity, project duration, wastage, time lost in hours, and overtime allowance. First, we need to check that the cells with values are named so they can be seen in the Spreadsheets window in Expert Estimation. We have named the cells Lab Prod, project duration, wastage, time lost hours, and overtime allowance. In Expert Estimation, to get to the Spreadsheets window, in the Home menu tab, select Spreadsheets from the ribbon toolbar, or go to Resource Explorer, then select Spreadsheets from the ribbon menu. To import a spreadsheet, click on the Add Spreadsheets icon in the ribbon menu. Then upload your Excel file from the location where the spreadsheet has been saved. You can upload XLSX and XLSM files. CSV files do not allow named cells, so they cannot be imported. To see a summary of all the named cells, including those with non-numeric values, in the Expert Estimation Spreadsheets window, make sure the Import Numeric Named Cells Only box is not ticked. Then highlight the imported spreadsheets document and click on View Spreadsheet Defines. You will see a summary of all the named cell values. Named cells that are not able to be converted to a numeric value, for example if the cell is empty or has text in the cell, will be imported and synchronized with a value of 0. These cells and values can be synchronized with global defines and resource rates. This is useful when you need to calculate a value in Excel and be able to then use that value in calculations throughout your project, or use it as the base rate of a resource. When you import a spreadsheet, a copy of the spreadsheet is added to the Expert Estimation database. The original remains unchanged in the location where it was saved. To instead see only named cells with a numeric value, close any opened View Spreadsheet Defines tabs, then check the tick box in the Import Numeric Named Cells Only column on the Imported Spreadsheets row, and click View Spreadsheet Defines again. You can see this time, only the named cells with a value have been listed. Time lost hours, which had no value in the named cell, and overtime allowance, which had text in the named cell, are no longer shown. And that is how to handle importing numeric and non-numeric named cell values from Excel spreadsheets into Expert Estimation. For more information, see the knowledge base article linked below this video. Contact our 24/7 support team by phone or email. We love to listen to your feedback and any tweaks that you would like to help make it even better. We can also help you with achieving the results you're looking for in the application. Please let us know what you think. We look forward to speaking with you.